This video is part 2 of wire-wrapped halo beads. Please view part 1 if you have not done so. In the comments from part 1, a viewer asked me to demonstrate wrapping the small beads, so I'll be starting with them before offering ideas for using the beads in different projects and also doing a quick demonstration on different shaped stones. This is a 6mm gold sheen obsidian bead. For a single halo I am using a 6" length of 0.8mm dead soft wire. Thread the wire through the bead to the halfway point. Where the wire exits the bead, bend in opposite directions. Bend the wire around the bead. For weaving I am using 0.2mm wire. You will need approximately 25 inches. Start wrapping the wires together where the wire exits the bead. To anchor the weaving wire, wrap it 3 times around the outer wire. Wrap twice around both wires. Bend the wire to follow the inner wire. Wrap twice around the outer wire. Wrap twice around both wires. Wrap twice around the outer wire. Continue weaving the wires together. Weave until reaching the point where the wire exits the bead on the other side. Wrap twice around the inner wire and the wire exiting the bead. Bend the outer wire out of the way and continue wrapping the other wires together using the same weaving pattern as before. Remove the excess weaving wire. Bend the wire backwards and form a loop. Bend the wire around the base of the loop and back to the front. Trim the wires to 1 centimetre. Use the tip of round nose pliers to start making loops at the end of the wires. Trim off a small amount of wire from the end. Continue forming the loops. Switch to pliers with a flat nose to continue rolling the wires into flat coils. I have already formed a single halo on this bead. For the double halo I am using 8 inches of 0.8mm wire. Continue wrapping the weaving wire around the single wire. You will need approximately 40 inches of weaving wire. Wrap until meeting the other single wire. Wrap twice around both wires. Wrap twice around the outer wire. Wrap twice around both wires. Bend the outer wire out of the way and continue wrapping around the other wire. Wrap until reaching the opposite side where the wire exits the bead. Wrap twice around the outer wire and the wire above it. Wrap twice around the outer wire. Wrap twice around both wires. Wrap twice around the outer wire. Remove the excess weaving wire. Form the loops the same way as before, trimming the wires to 1.5 centimeters. This pendant is created with a single halo and a double halo bead and adding a glass dagger bead. The matching earrings are created with a double halo beads and a glass dagger bead. This simple bracelet is made from single halo beads joined together by jump rings. The simple hook and chain findings are made from offcuts of 1mm wire. This bracelet is made from the oval beads I demonstrated in part 1. The beads are joined by 2 rows of jump rings and finished with simple hook and chain findings. In this cuff bracelet, the beads are woven onto a simple frame made from 4 lengths of 0.8mm wire, woven together using the same weaving pattern as the beads. You can experiment with different shapes of beads using the same technique as with the round stones. Bend the wires around the shape of the heart. Weave the wires together until reaching the centre of the top of the heart. Wrap around just the inner wire until it meets the wire exiting the bead. Just like with the other beads, wrap the wires together. Wrap the single wires. Form the loops. I am going to add a bail to this star to create a pendant. Form the top loop and thread on the bail. At the bottom I am foregoing the loop and just coiling the wire. Thank you for watching. Please join me for my next video.